Well, good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide, and we are on May 13th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Welcome to another video from Morning Dew. We're going to sit out here looking at Windy app, windy.com, and this is showing the moisture for the next 10 days. 10-day forecast. Now, across Canada, watching cold temperatures sweep from the Northwest Territories and south and west to Alberta and BC later in the week. And watch as this large low pressure system comes from Midwestern United States and moves north, but then mixes with a very large low that was vigorously turning over the Hudson's Bay. And bam, we have a winter storm for Alberta and many provinces in Canada. Yellowknife, Nunavut, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, BC will be receiving sizable snow totals over the next 10 days. When you look at the next 10 days for snow totals, looks nothing like spring. Maybe southeastern United States, but still, they're still seeing some really cool temperatures as well. So we're on the verge of a great change, everybody. It's not global warming. Global cooling. We're ready. I'm ready. We need to be aware and prepared. Across North America, watch for extreme weather events throughout parts of Texas as a large, humid low develops later in the week. Intertropical convergences all over the place. British Columbia finally seeing some moisture. They've already had a couple serious fires break out, so they need moisture. And lucky for them, the Pacific Ocean is driving 3 low pressure systems towards them in the 5-day forecast here, brought to you by Meteo Earth, Meteo Mike. No typhoons to talk about. There is one tropical depression over northeastern Australia, heading into the Switzer Reef, but will dissipate over the coming days. But as I was watching here, these strange cyclones are developing over northern parts of Australia and then penetrating the land and moving south. So we're just going to watch the projected forecast here for the next 5 days. And it says that Anne will head straight west through the peninsula. But then in the 5-day forecast, it shows it dipping straight south after going through the peninsula. Right there. So these dense low pressure systems are getting bigger and stronger, and they're penetrating land. Look at what Hurricane Michael did last season. Across South America, still watching mass evaporation, daily downpours, torrential rains, so still flooding in parts of Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil. You do have some thunderstorms moving in over the next couple days, cooling things off to a cool 65, maybe 70 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll just bring the temperature up here. Pretty warm ahead of it. Cool temperatures behind it. Definitely going to have some severe thunderstorm activity throughout parts of Brazil. And I want to thank you for requesting a personal forecast to Brazil. It's true, I don't broadcast or forecast there often. So around the world we go. The major topic is this large low pressure system that will be affecting Canada and bringing a winter storm 5 to 7 days from now. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that. We'll see if it ends up warming up. But across the northern hemisphere, we're still very cold. Cool temperatures still reaching down to the 35th, 40 parallel. Across the Atlantic Ocean, large vigorous lows. There's the low pressure system I was telling you about over the Hudson Bay. So things are still going to be changing here quickly. Let's look at our sun for the last 48 hours. And you can see a destabilized filament right here. Look at that. So lifted up and then just smacked right down onto the sun. You can see that, just wow, amazing stuff. And let's get to earthquakes. The last 24 hours, most recent being a 4.5 in Pyrgos, Greece, as well as Bedadik, Turkey. All these strange names. 5.4 as well in Zemla, North Pole. 5.4, that's a pretty sizable earthquake right on the fault line. And most recently, mainstream media has been talking about new plates in the Atlantic Ocean. How Europe is being pulled closer to North America and actually being pulled underneath of Africa. So that's something I'm going to be investigating over the next little while. So here, latest earthquakes, 5.3 Papua New Guinea today, and that was after a very sizable and deep earthquake in Fiji. Right here, the 4.7 at a 517 kilometer depth. So we've talked about this many a times. When we have a deep earthquake like that, there is always a larger and shallower earthquake to happen afterwards. And we're watching aftershocks in Costa Rica after the 6.2 yesterday, 5.0 in Peru, as well as a 5.2, and a 4.6 in Chile, 157 kilometer depth. So stay aware and prepared, folks, and have a plan. Be ready for any kind of severe weather event and disaster from around the world. Make sure that you're subscribed to Morning Dew and that you've hit that notification bell. A lot of people have to resubscribe and re-notify themselves all the time, and this is getting to be quite nonsensical. It's getting to me. But anyways, this is the last 7 days for earthquakes. Leave you here with the images of the last 7 days. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch for my forecasted area at the end of this video. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.